In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Street View Google Maps on Android. Street View is a great way to preview a neighborhood, check what a storefront looks like, or virtually explore a new city, all from your phone. We'll walk through two simple ways to open Street View in the Google Maps app, and then I'll show you how to move around once you're inside. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're using the Google Maps app on your Android device, ideally updated to a recent version. First, the easiest method is to search for a place. Open the Google Maps app, type a place name or an address into the search bar, and run the search. When the map loads, tap the place marker. If you don't have a specific place marked, you can drop a pin by pressing and holding anywhere on the map. After you tap the marker or the pin, look for the small photo labeled Street View or a thumbnail with the Street View icon. Tap that thumbnail and you'll jump right into the 360-degree view at that spot. Google officially notes that you can enter Street View by searching for a place, tapping a marker, or dropping a pin, so any of those three actions lead you to the same result. If you don't see a Street View thumbnail, the location may not have coverage, so try a nearby main road. The second method uses the Street View layer, which is perfect when you don't have a specific address in mind. Open Google Maps and tap the Layers button in the top right corner. From the list, tap Street View. The map will highlight blue lines across roads that have Street View coverage. Those blue lines are your guide. Tap any blue line to enter Street View right there. This layer makes it much easier to find where coverage exists, especially in unfamiliar areas. Once you're inside Street View, moving around is straightforward. Swipe left or right to look around in 360 degrees. Tap the arrows on the road to move forward along the street, and use pinch gestures to zoom in or out for a closer look. If you prefer a wider view, turn your phone sideways to switch to landscape orientation. On some devices, Google also supports tilt to look, which lets you gently tilt your phone to pan the scene. If your phone supports it, you'll feel it right away. That's all you need. Use search and pins for quick access or switch on the Street View layer to scout for blue-lined roads. With a few swipes and taps, you can explore almost anywhere.